Hello friends, welcome to the history optional batch for the year 2021 and 22. History optional is very popular and very scoring optional if you could plan well, right? Let us see why an average UPSC aspirant has to choose history as an optional in the UPSC Civil Services examination. See, in the UPSC examination, every student, whether he is studying general studies as a paper, compulsorily he is studying history optional topics. What are the topics in the history syllabus? The history syllabus consists of ancient India, medieval India, modern India and world history. Ancient India, this is paper 1, this is paper 2. In the history optionals, you have ancient India, medieval India, modern India and world history. For a general studies student also, all these topics are covered in a syllabus, and ancient, medieval, modern, world, this forms your preliminary part, and world history forms your mains paper 1 topic, general studies. So whether you are taking history as an optional or not, you have to study the history, larger part of the history as a syllabus for your general studies paper. And with this general studies preparation only, if you write history optional paper, I am sure anybody would get around 200 to 220 marks. Now you have to improve another 100 marks only if you are taking history as an optional subject. So here we will assist you how to increase this 100 marks, and even if you do not have any basis about history, basic knowledge about history, we are here to help you. I am Sadiq, the director of Sadiq IAS Academy. I will help you all the way to learn history as simply, as easily, as funfully as possible, and I will ensure that a student who is putting his hard work will get around 310 mark to 330 marks in history. 310 to 330 marks, a student could easily get it, right? So this is what we will do. History as a subject has got many other advantages which other options do not have. As you all know, the general studies weightage of history in the general studies is very high. Second point is that history as an optional doesn't need any updations whatsoever. Once you are thorough, once you study, then that is final. Third, the marks in history do not vary too much. You will not fear about losing your marks after one attempt to the another attempt. Many people think that history as an optional consists of only dates, facts and figures. That is not correct. If you take the previous year UPSC question paper, you will know that without dates you could easily complete the paper. Definitely history has to be studied in a very scientific, logical manner. If you study history in a scientific and logical manner, 310 plus marks are guaranteed for you. I have been teaching history as an optional for the past 12 years and we consecutively produce results. Our students, you must know, Mr. Manoj Prabhakar had got 312 marks and Ms. Dharmastri had got 305 marks in the history optionals. So it is a scoring subject only if you plan and study in a very scientific manner. I am here to help you to study history in a very scientific, in a fun-filled manner. I am elaborately doing 3 videos as to why history optional is easy, how to study history optionals and how to maximize your marks in the history optionals. If you want these 3 videos, please fill in the form which is given below the link. Below this video, in the link it is given. Fill the Google form. We will send you the first 3 videos free of cost. Then you can take a decision whether to study history or not, if to study history with me or not. Thank you. All the very best.